Whoa, what is that? Wow.
Well guys, delivering another video from Haulover Beach Inlet. I hope you liked it. This one was more center consoles than usual. This is something that people neglect, but actually there's really nice center consoles coming out every day from Haulover Beach Inlet. So I want to thank all the new subscribers to the channel, and also I want to thank all the supporters of the channel for always leaving a comment below. You know that's something that I need so that YouTube recognize the channel, and you have done it. So thanks to all, you know who you are, and hopefully we can continue bringing you more videos from Miami. So thanks for watching. Remember that I upload daily, so if you like yachts, boats and powerboats, then this is the channel to subscribe to. Thanks again, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a good day.